In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted notes on the Google Keep Notes app. Whether it was an accidental delete or a change of heart, getting back your important notes is a simple and quick process that should take no more than a few minutes. So, grab your device and let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Google Keep, which you can easily access from your device. If you're using a smartphone or a tablet, just find the Google Keep app icon and tap it. If you're on a computer, simply go to keep.google.com in your web browser. Once you have Google Keep open, look to the top left corner of your screen. There you'll find the main menu icon. Click or tap on this icon. It might resemble three horizontal lines, and it's the key to navigating through your Google Keep settings. After the menu slides out, you'll want to carefully scroll through the options until you locate the trash section. This is where all your deleted notes reside. Think of it as a virtual recycling bin where your notes have been temporarily stored for up to 7 days. Go ahead and click on this trash option. Now you've entered the realm of deleted notes. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific note or notes you wish to restore. They should still be intact and ready to be rescued. Once you've found the note you want back, simply select it. You might need to tap on it if you're using a touch-enabled device or click on it if you're on a desktop. This action will bring up a list of options specific to that note. Now look for the restore option. It should be clearly labelled and clickable. By selecting restore, you're effectively moving the note out of the trash and back into your active notes collection. It's like breathing new life into your previously discarded idea or list. Having restored your note, it's immediately available in your regular notes view, just as it was before being deleted. From this point, you can edit, organise, or just review it as you please. It's back to being a part of your workflow and easily accessible whenever you need it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily retrieve any deleted note from your Google Keep account without any hassle. Keep in mind that notes are only kept in the trash for a limited time, typically 7 days, so don't